Good morning, everyone. I am just getting my stuff packed up to get it ready for my early afternoon flight today to head back home. So we're here at Baby Stacks having some brunch. I'm having the corned beef hash with 2 eggs, garlic rice, and then I ordered a side of pancakes, which is macadamia nut pancakes topped with white chocolate chips, but I removed the white chocolate chips. It's just way too early for something sweet. And then Ran is almost done with hers, and we just got our food.
Oh yeah.
So hers is the Portuguese sausage and garlic rice and some eggs. And I enjoy this. Currently inside Crumble Cookie Shop, which is right off of Blue Diamond. There's actually another Crumble Cookie Shop, which is located somewhere in North Las Vegas. But we just finished brunch right now, and I was debating whether or not I should pick up some cookies for home, but I am so stuffed, and I have so much more sweets that I bought here already and some waiting for me at home that I think I'm gonna skip on this one. I know it hurts for me to say because they look amazing. So here's the box that you get to buy. What is this, 4 pieces? 4 pieces. I mean, look how gigantic this is. Compared or measured against me. And then this is Ren's that I'm showcasing right here. Look at that. I mean, they're as big as my head. But if I get these, I probably won't get to them until about a month from now. So I will skip. Ren comes here all the time anyway as far as coming to Vegas, so this will be a good ask when she comes back here next. But be sure to swing by here when you're around the area, or just to get out here I think it would definitely be worth it. I am at the airport right now, and I thought I had about an hour left for check-in, which is cutting it a little close. But I went to the kiosk, tried to check in, and it said my flight was currently unavailable. So I went to the check-in counter, and I told the lady, and I said, "Oh, am I really late? It wouldn't let me check in." So she asked me, "What time was your flight?" I said, or what time is your flight? And I said at 1:55. And then she goes, "To where? Where are you going?" I said, "San Francisco." And she said, "There's no flights. There are no flights at that time." And I said, And then she said, there is a 1:15 and a 3 o'clock. So I looked at my confirmation. My flight is at 1:15. I arrived here at the airport at 1 o'clock. I don't even know what to say about that, about myself. I don't. And I forgot to charge my camera battery last night, and so now I'm using my iPhone to video the rest of the day. I'm home now to familiar territory. The flight was actually pretty good despite the fact that it is rainy over here. Normally with the rain comes a heavier wind, or it gets windy, but that wasn't the case today. So even though we had a bumpy descent, it was smooth. I don't know how to quite describe that. I missed this little baby. I miss this one. I wish I could take him with me, but it's funny. I want to take him to a trip out of town on a flight, because I think he would be a great distraction on the plane. But he's too long. Bailey's too long, so I can't take him. Or at least when I measured him, he would be too long to stay underneath the seat, to be stowed underneath the seat. So in any case, Alaska, I took Alaska on the way home. I took United Airlines on the way to Vegas, which I've been meaning to sort of stand on my soapbox, because I didn't realize when I booked my flight with Expedia that the tickets that I bought were basic economy. I should have read the fine print. I just sort of missed a lot about my flight information on this trip, and I don't know why. But so I was booked under basic economy, and when I checked in, coming to Vegas, you know, I had my luggage, I had a medium tote and my backpack. So I had a medium tote and my backpack as my carry-on luggage. And at the gate, I was stopped at the gate, and I was told that my ticket was basic economy and only allowed for one personal item. One personal item. Since when? I know that I haven't traveled since October, and I I don't actually remember the last time I traveled with United, but really? One personal item? I've never heard, I didn't hear it in the news, I've never read it on the news or anything like that, so it completely took me off guard. So they told me I had to check it in. So, and that would have cost another luggage fee. And so I told them, like, I should have been told when I was checking in my first baggage that, oh hey, your ticket only allows you one personal item. And then one of the other check-in ladies at the gate said, you should have been told, or there should have been some kind of statement during the purchase of your ticket that you were only allowed one personal item, which I didn't see, and or at least I didn't notice it. So at this point, I don't know if it's just me, it was me that I wasn't paying attention. Definitely on this missed flight, I was not paying attention. I can't pick out in my mind how in the world I misread my flight time. But it's all over now. I'm home and I'm ready to just shower. I don't even know if I'm gonna unpack because I go back to work tomorrow and I just want to relax for the rest of the night. But I still have a lot of plans for the rest of the year, so stay tuned for those. Hopefully it's not such a mess as today or even going to, but I hope you like the content from this trip to Las Vegas, and if you did, kindly click that big thumbs up below. And for more videos, future videos, future trips, please click that subscribe and bell icon below to get notified. And Bailey's sleepy already. It's only 5:45 p.m. And for real-time photos, videos, and stories, check out my Instagram page at Asset Images. Okay, I think this is a good place and time to end this video. From my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.